Hey everyone! In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to change color in Photoshop and how to create a cool Photoshop neon effect. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to change color in Photoshop. Select the image or object you want to edit. Go to Image, then Adjustments, then Hue/Saturation. Move the hue slider to change the color instantly. For better control, use a hue/saturation adjustment layer. This lets you change colors without affecting your original image. Now let's create a Photoshop neon effect. Start with text or a shape on a dark background. Open blending options, turn on outer glow, and choose a bright neon color. Increase the size until it starts glowing. Duplicate the layer and place it underneath for extra glow. Apply a little Gaussian blur. And that's it! You now know how to change color in Photoshop and how to make a Photoshop neon effect. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.